uploading an HTML or SCORM package to your Zenler lesson type. Let's go from the dashboard to courses and scroll across to our course and to curriculum. Let's create a new lesson type, add lesson, HTML, SCORM. Click Save, and now under the type you'll see that you have SCORM and HTML. So these are packages that you might have, or you might be using another service to create something like a SCORM package for you. If you can export that SCORM package or an HTML package, you can upload that directly into a lesson type within Zenler. So we have an HTML package of 2 pages that we're just going to upload. Please note, if you're using SCORM, do check the version number inside of our support documentation to make sure it's supported by Zenler. Let's click this and go in here and name this. I'm going to call this HTML package, but please name it something that's appropriate to what you need to call it. So again, we have the ability to select a package from our library if we have any uploaded, and we also have the ability to drop a zip file or click and upload. I'm going to click and upload and locate an HTML package. As you can see here, I have an HTML package here, and it's made up of 2 files. So it's a page 1 and page 2 file. Let's click open and start the upload. It will now ask us to select the default file. This is the starting page of the file. Normally this might be called something like index.html, in which case we'd make sure that we start with that file. It's basically the first page that they see. You can select from the pages of the package by just scrolling down the drop down and selecting the page. In this particular case, I want page 1 to show first, so I'm going to select that and click select. Now that's loaded, I'm going to go and view that as a student in the curriculum. Let's go to preview, course curriculum as student, scroll down on the left hand side to SCORM HTML, and you're instantly going to see a page. This is our HTML pages brought in by Zenler. To notice the difference, I can click between 2 different pages. Each of these pages could have various content on them, as well as images and maybe even videos. You could have as many as you like in here, and there could be a nice looking menu system to run along the top if it's been designed as an HTML package. The same applies to SCORM. When it's exported out, it could be very complex, and you can bring it in to the Zenler platform to make the SCORM package work effectively on the Zenler platform. This is HTML SCORM and putting it into a lesson within your site.